With fantastic features and a chic finish, this Rangemaster Classic 60 electric ceramic cooker is designed to make your meal preparation a breeze and look great in your kitchen at the same time. Two multifunction ovens offer you fantastic flexible cooking capabilities, with functions including baking, roasting, slow cooking, defrosting and more. So you can cook more and enjoy your favourite meals to the perfection they deserve. Catalytic liners help keep the oven clean and maintain it by absorbing any grease or food spills, so you have less cleaning to do and more time on your hands to get busy cooking. The fully programmable main oven allows you to prepare your dish and set the oven to switch on and off exactly as your food requires, giving you that extra precision which is necessary when baking cakes or cooking the family roast. And what's more, you have the luxury of arriving home after a long day at work with a cooked meal ready waiting for you. The Rangemaster Classic 60 electric ceramic cooker, bringing convenience and class to your cooking.